Why do people in Japan eat unagi on the day of the ox in midsummer? Hi, I'm Take. I love exploring Japanese food culture and sharing its story with the world. The answer might surprise you. It isn't just one reason, but a mix of ancient tradition, nutrition, and clever marketing. Today, I'm investigating this mystery together with Samurai Cat. Oh, stick around because later I'll be cooking and testing two different styles of unagi. So, Samurai Cat, do you think today's mission will be easy? Are you ready? Historical investigations are my specialty, but chasing swimming unagi? I shall leave that to someone else. Fair enough. Let's travel back in time and get this investigation started. First, Clue 1. What is Doyo? In the traditional Japanese calendar, Doyo refers to the 18-day transition period between seasons. Summer Doyo usually runs from late July to early August. Clue 2. What is the day of the ox? The 12 signs of the zodiac are applied to days as well as years. Since it cycles every 12 days, the day of the ox always occurs at least once during the summer Doyo period. Clue 3. Why eat unagi? Seasonal change leave people exhausted. Unagi is packed with vitamins and omega-3 fatty acid, making it the ultimate superfood to fight summer fatigue. Natsubate. Oh, it looks like Samurai Cat's investigation report has arrived. Investigation completed. Here's my secret mission report. 1. Jomon period fossils. 2. Fudoki ancient records. 3. Manyoshu poetry collection. 4. The marketing genius of Hiraga Gennai. Excellent! Let's examine the evidence one by one. Evidence 1. To my surprise, ancient Japanese people were already eating unagi over 5,000 years ago in the Jomon period. Unagi bone found at ancient dwelling sites prove that unagi has been a Japanese staple since prehistorical times. Next evidence number 2. The Fudoki. Written in the 8th century, these ancient texts document local geographical and product confirming that rivers back then were teeming with fresh unagi. Evidence 3. The Manyoshu. Over 1,300 years ago, poets were already writing verses phrases unagi as the ultimate cure for summer weight loss. Poet Ootomono Yakamochi even wrote a poem advising a friend to eat unagi, the ancient word for unagi to stay healthy in the heat. And finally, evidence 4. Hiraga Gennai. In the Edo period, a brilliant polymath named Hiraga Gennai helped a struggling unagi shop owner by creating a catchy promotional sign. Today is the day of the ox, eat unagi. It became one of the most successful marketing campaigns in Japanese history. Lord Take, I have another question. I hear that the way unagi is prepared differs between Eastern Kanto and Western Kansai, Japan. What's the difference? Great observation. In Kansai, Osaka, Kyoto, the unagi is opened from the belly, skewed and grilled directly over hot coals with sauce. This yields a rich flavor with a crispy skin. In Kanto, Tokyo, slicing the belly reminded samurais of seppuku, ritual suicide. So, fishmongers sliced it from the back instead. Plus, there's a practical reason. Steaming makes the unagi incredibly soft. Spirating it along the thicker back meat keeps the fish firmly on the skewers, so it doesn't fall apart during grilling. So they open it from the back, skew it, grilled it, steam it, and then grill it again with sauce. This removes excess fat and creates a super fluffy texture. I see. I like them both. Nice try, but seasoned unagi has too much salt for cats. Now for the final test, I'm cooking Oosumi Kagoshima unagi using two methods, direct grilling versus steam pan grilling. I used pre-grilled unagi for this. After boiling it for 8 minutes, I took the unagi out and wiped the excess sauce off the surface. Then I divided them to compare two cooking methods. For the first unagi, I lined a frying pan with parchment paper, placed the unagi inside, add 2 tablespoons of sake, and steam grilled it. Drizzle sauce over hot rice. Sprinkle a pinch of sansho, Japanese pepper. In the meantime, I grilled the other unagi directly on the wire rack. Rodotake, the unagi escaped! Escaped? Oh no, I dropped it! I went to all that trouble to set up a taste test. Oh no! Only for it to be a total flop. What a letdown. I ended up dropping the grilled unagi right onto the floor. Rodotake, what did you do with the unagi that got away? Well, since it had landed on the leg of the camera stand, I washed it off and plated it. Even after washing it with water, it retained plenty of flavor and was delicious, fluffy and tender. So, why do Japanese people eat unagi on the Day of the Ox? It wasn't created overnight. It's a blend of ancient food culture, seasonal health wisdom, and Edo period marketing genius. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and subscribe.